Every woman wants beautiful brows, so we tweeze, we thread, and we rip. But now there's Flawless Brows from Finishing Touch, the new gold standard and first precision hair remover that instantly and painlessly sweeps away unwanted hair for stunningly beautiful brows. Hold it like a pencil, use it like an eraser.
I see a hair that I don't want and I'm able to erase it.
Because inside Flawless Brows precision hair removal tip is the finest German engineered technology that erases unwanted hair with micro precision, perfectly balanced for perfect control between the brows, above, below, even toward the hairline.
I have very sensitive skin, so Flawless Brows is perfect for me because it's so gentle and it's so precise. It's not going to take more hair than I'm targeting.
And with an 18-karat gold-plated head, it's hypoallergenic and gentle on all skin types.
This was just so easy, so painless. It just erases the hair away.
Flawless Brows is the fastest, easiest, pain-free way to have beautiful brows every day, guaranteed.
One of my favorite things is I don't have to wait for the hair to grow out like you do with waxing.
It's a solution to an otherwise daily battle. I just see it and take it right off.
A built-in LED light makes it easy to see and erase unwanted hair. Discreet and portable, so you can use it anytime, anywhere.
I can do it myself whenever I want. I don't have to go to a salon for quick touch-ups. It's perfect.
Dermatologist approved. Flawless Brows is precision hair removal that's gentle and safe to the touch.
It's painless, easy to control, fast to use, super safe, and it's so pretty. I mean, it's perfect.
Flawless Brows is not available in stores. Get your Flawless Brows right here, right now, for only $19.99 with a 60-day money-back guarantee.
It just erases the hair away.
Flawless Brows, only from Finishing Touch.